Hello everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, gorgeous, hobby lobby craft designs, Christmas decoration ideas. So one by one latest gorgeous stylish Christmas home decoration ideas. You can watch this video. I hope you are doing great and having a wonderful day. Today I am so happy to share another collection of beautiful Christmas craft ideas with you. Christmas in July is the perfect time to start collecting ideas for the holiday season. Planning early helps you enjoy crafting without any stress, and you have plenty of time to decorate your home beautifully before Christmas arrives. In this video you will see many amazing DIY Christmas decorations that are simple, elegant, and easy to make. These ideas are perfect for people who love creativity and handmade decorations. Whether you are decorating your living room, bedroom, dining table, fireplace, or Christmas tree, these ideas will help you create a warm and cozy holiday atmosphere. One of the best things about Christmas crafts is that they allow you to express your creativity, and every ribbon, every ornament, every flower, and every small decoration can be arranged in your own unique style. There is no limit to your imagination. Every handmade decoration becomes a beautiful piece of holiday art. You can create lovely Christmas wreaths using artificial pine leaves, berries, ribbons, and small ornaments. A beautiful wreath on your front door gives a warm welcome to everyone who visits your home during the holiday season. Another wonderful idea is decorating glass jars. Add fairy lights, pine cones, ribbons, or artificial snow inside the jar to create magical Christmas lanterns. These simple decorations look beautiful on tables, shelves, and windows. Mini Christmas trees are always a favorite holiday decoration. You can decorate them with any teeny ornaments, and this idea is very perfect, very amazing, and highly recommend. And it's a very amazing different wooden decoration, also create a beautiful rustic Christmas style. You can paint wooden signs with the holiday messages, decorate wooden stars, or make cute snowflakes. Rustic decorations never go out of style and always make the home feel warm and inviting. Jute rope is another wonderful material for Christmas crafts. You can wrap bottles, flower pots, candles, or ornaments with jute rope to create natural farmhouse style decorations. Simple materials can create expensive looking decorations with very little effort. Candles make every Christmas decoration look warm and peaceful. Decorate candle holders with ribbons, pine branches, berries, pearls, or tiny bells. These elegant centerpieces look beautiful on dining tables during holiday dinners. Christmas ornaments are available in many colors and designs. Mix shiny ornaments with matte finish, glitter balls, stars, snowflakes, and handmade decorations to create a balanced and beautiful Christmas tree. Do not be afraid to mix different decorating styles. You can combine modern decorations with rustic pieces or classic Christmas colors with soft natural shades. Every home has its own unique style, and your decoration should reflect your personality. And handmade decorations also help save money. Instead of buying expensive holiday decorations, you can create beautiful items yourself using affordable craft supplies. Handmade decorations are often more meaningful than store-bought ones. Christmas crafting is also a wonderful family activity. Parents, children, brothers, sisters, and grandparents can also enjoy making decorations together. These moments become beautiful memories that everyone remembers for years. Another lovely idea is making handmade Christmas gifts. A decorated candle, a personalized ornament, or a handmade wreath make a throughout thoughtful gifts for friends and family. Gifts made with love always have special value. As you continue watching this video, I hope each idea inspires you to create something beautiful, and you can use these ideas exactly as they are. Change the colors and decorations to match your own holiday theme. It's amazing, outstanding, different Christmas holiday decoration. And you can also mix different colors to match your favorite Christmas style. Traditional red and green are always beautiful. White and silver create a snowy winter look. Golds add the warm and luxurious touch, and rustic brown with natural wood give the cozy farmhouse style. Choose the color that make you feel happy and inspired. And Christmas crafting is also a relaxing hobby. It helps you spend quality time with your family. Children, parents, and grandparents can all enjoy making simple holiday decorations together. If you are decorating a small apartment or a large house, this idea can work anywhere. A small wreath on the door, a handmade centerpiece on the table, or a decorated shelf can completely change the atmosphere of your home. Small details often make the biggest difference. You can even reuse old decorations and give them a fresh new look. Paint old ornaments and ribbons, wrap jars with jute rope, or decorate candles with simple Christmas accessories. Recycling old items saves money and helps reduce waste while creating beautiful holiday decor. And another great idea is making personalized decorations with names, initials, or special messages. These small personal touches make your decorations unique and meaningful. They can also become keepsakes that your family enjoys every Christmas. If you are looking for gifts idea, handmade Christmas crafts are always a thoughtful choice. A decorated candle, a handmade ornament, or a beautiful vase shows that you spent time creating something with love. People always appreciate gifts made for the heart. As you watch these ideas, imagine how you can add your own creativity. Change the colors, add different decorations, or combine several ideas together. There is no right or wrong way to create. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. Christmas is not only about decoration, it is about love, kindness, hope, and spending time with the people we care about. Every handmade decoration reminds us of the happiness and warmth of the holiday season. I hope this beautiful Christmas craft idea give you inspired for your own holiday projects. Save your favorite ideas and come whenever you are ready to start decorating. Early inspirations make holiday preparations much easier and more enjoyable. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today, and your support means so much to this channel, and I really appreciate every view, every like, every comment, and every subscription. Thank you for helping in our creativity family continue to grow. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new Christmas craft idea, DIY decorations, and creative inspiration. I upload new craft videos every day, so there are always something new to enjoy. Thank you once again for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay creative, stay inspired, and I will see you in my next video. And Christmas in July, and happy crafting by everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting my channel. Keep watching, keep supporting. Take care and goodbye.